Alright, boys. About to pull out Easy Muffler's driveway. First time, this is my first time with duals on a truck. This is crazy. I don't know. I feel like this shit loud as fuck. Yo, I think I done fucked up, yo. I think this truck is too damn loud. I swear I think it's... Like, that shit is noisy. Oh my God, what have I done? What have I done? My God, I don't know. I don't know. The good thing is with this 2500, it drops down into last gear and it stays there. Like it doesn't. It's not like another like lower model trucks like 1500s and like Silverados and shit. It don't come out of gear every time you get out the gas. Like I'm literally getting on and off the gas and it never downshifts. Now if it did that, I would be in serious trouble, but it's not. It's louder than I thought it was gonna be, and that's what I'm scared of. Cause it's this loud in the truck. I know it's probably loud outside, and I don't know how I feel about it. But I took a risk when I did the I took the muffler off, so I should have known better. But what I can do, if it really gets on my nerves, I can end up putting some type of muffler back, just an aftermarket, so I still have some sound. But this shit sounds loud. I done fucked up. Oh shit. Y'all done fucked up. Oh my God, I done straight piped my Dodge Ram. Oh my God. Oh man. This shit is stupid. This shit is stupid loud. I know it's loud outside because it's like, it's so loud it almost vibrates the back of my truck. Like I can feel it in the seat a little bit. I'm gonna try to crack the window. See what it sounds like when I get on the highway. This is too loud though. Woo! But this bitch don't sound like no goddamn, this bitch don't sound like no fucking Silverado though. You can tell this bitch got that 5.7 in that mug, boy. Goddamn. This bitch got that 5.7 in that bitch, dog. Woo! Yes, sir. This bitch got that beat block in it, dog. I don't know how people do this. I don't know how people ride like this. Jesus. She got a little drone. It don't, like it runs smoother than other V8s. Like it runs smoother than a Ford, smoother than Chevy. Like Chevy and Ford seem like they got more of a chop. Like that. This thing is like it's so smooth, man. I like that. I will say I like that. But I still feel like it's way too fucking loud. So we're getting off in town. This thing. Now I know a bunch of truck guys are probably looking at this shit like, boy, your truck ain't loud for shit. That whack ass, that shit weak, dog. That shit weak, man. It ain't loud, bruh. clap that motherfucker, man. But to me, I don't want no crazy, because this is like a almost daily right now. And then on top of that, like when I tow, I don't want mine. I want people to hear it trying to tow, like just struggling trying to go and stuff. I don't want that. Side note, they almost got the 7-Eleven up, so we will be taking pics there soon. Yeah, this shit loud, man. Truck move too, goddamn. Like I be barely easing on this thing. I know I'm running way over the speed limit. So guys, I've been riding around for a few minutes, and I honestly, it's not as bad as I thought right now. I'm just gonna see the reactions to what cops think when I pass by those guys and stuff, but it's definitely not as bad as like my trap was with the straight pipe and stuff. Like I said, this does still have both cats on it. So I'm hoping that this thing isn't too bad. And it's got a real smooth sound to it too, so. It's really growing on me, I'm gonna say that. It's really growing on me. This Circle K always has the cheapest shell gas in Rocky Mount. So, $3.63 a gallon minus 5 cents for the rewards, and you're looking at pretty good savings. So I'm on the way to the house now, guys. I don't have to drive this truck that often, so you know, maybe it won't be too bad. And I'm about to start working on that black CG5 that we got, so hopefully I can get that up and going, and that's gonna be my responsible daily. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so far, I mean, it's different. I like the sound of the V8. I'm not gonna lie about that. But she got a little noise there. A little bit of noise going on. But once it dropped down to that low gear, it's not that bad. On the highway, it's got a little bit of drone when you're going like 80, but yeah, I don't know. Go ahead. Yeah, I be going to like 4,000, 3,000, like that shit be loud as fuck. That bitch pissing water out though. She got a tight motor on.